Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's review, I will talk about the SuperFunnel Hero system. SuperFunnel Hero is a complete product that shows you exactly what you need to do to earn 6 to 7 figures online. This review also includes some information regarding the inside secrets, so please pay close attention till the end, because I also have some mind-blowing bonuses for you. Now if you get started with the SuperFunnel Hero system today, you will also get free access to his super funnel that generated him over $1 million online. Plus you also get his money-making bonuses for free, which is worth $5,215. Do you have a product that you want to promote? Or are you an affiliate marketer? If you fit this description, you almost surely need a sales funnel. Creating an effective sales funnel is likely one of the most difficult and time-consuming tasks. Whether you are an expert or just starting out, having access to an easy-to-use system with proven templates can help you a lot. It is also helpful to other popular professionals like entrepreneurs, marketers, product designers, website owners, digital marketers, freelancers, email marketers, copywriters, etc., and etc. There are a lot of courses and strategies for making money online available today. Due to this, you may find it difficult to choose an option that would provide the best results. This program is also suitable for beginners. You only need to follow the instructions inside to succeed and earn as much money as you want without putting in a lot of effort. Now what are the benefits you will be getting from this product? Inside the system you're going to get access to his super funnel that he personally uses every single day for himself. Along with that, you will also have complete access to his new training that shows you the secrets that the other gurus don't want you to know. Next is Killer Follow-Up. The Killer Follow-Up is his top-performing email swipes that have made him tens of thousands of dollars. They were all written by professional copywriters, and have cost him thousands of dollars to create. With SuperFunnel Hero you can start making money fast for just $7. Why did I say this? With no refunds, this product alone has generated over 25,000 sales. Yes. No single refund at all with real testimonials. And with these $7 you will not just get his secret funnel but also get some amazing free bonuses from George, that how he had generated over $42,000 in 10 days for free just by using Facebook. Along with that he is also going to give free access to his Millionaire Black Book, which is something you've never seen before. Some of the world's top online marketers who have generated millions of dollars share their secrets with you on how to be successful. These marketers normally charge thousands of dollars for the training they reveal inside the system that you'll. And the third bonus he is going to give you is a SuperFunnel Hero t-shirt as well. Last but not the least, the fourth bonus is lifetime access and updates. Yep. That's right, he will be giving you the lifetime access and upgrades. Get this for free when you take his SuperFunnel today. The link is in the description. Now what are the bonuses that you will be getting from my end if you buy SuperFunnel Hero from my affiliate link? My first bonus is, I am going to share you a secret strategy that how to build your empire using private label content, which can be worth of $499. Second, I am going to share the underground secret traffic sources videos which will help you to generate a lot of traffic to bring the sales, which can be worth of $699. Third, I will give you a complete affiliate marketing blueprint which I am using right for getting the results, which is worth of $997. Fourth, I will also share an ebook Internet Marketing Secrets which the big marketers don't want it to revealed in the public, which is worth of $1,297. Fifth, I am going to share not 1, not 2, not 10, but 77 ways to increase your online sales, which is a worth of $2,999. Last but not the least, I am going to give my secret 10,740 PLR articles which is worth of $5,999. I will give you all the bonuses completely for free if you buy from my affiliate link below in the description. Once you buy from my link, share with me your invoice on this email. And I will share all these bonuses to you in a few hours. If you buy this SuperFunnel Hero you will be able to determine how to proceed in order to consistently make money online after completing this program. It is a tried and true marketing strategy that is effective. Even if you are a newbie, you can find it simple to use. Even if you have already got started, this course is a must-buy for a very good reason. It will give you a simple blueprint to follow, but it does even more than that. You will get a roadmap for your growth. I hope this review has completely helped you in making the decision. So go through their official website, the link is in the description below. I wish you all the best, see you in the next video, thank you.